In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union to Pakistan. So to do this, you want to open up the Western Union website or app and sign into your account if you already have one, or if you don't have one, simply go and create your account, which should only take a few minutes. Now after you first create your account, you will likely land on this screen right here. Now from here you just want to go to the search bar in the top left and type in Pakistan. Then here click Pakistan and then click continue. Then after doing that, here you can select how much you want to send, how you want to pay for the transfer, and how you want the money to be delivered to the recipient in Pakistan. For example, I'll say 100 Canadian dollars and pay by, I will go with my bank account. Then here you can see how much your recipient will receive in terms of the Pakistani rupees. And then here you can choose how you want the money to be delivered. So you can choose cash pickup, a bank account, or mobile wallet. Now cash pickup and mobile wallet are both usually delivered in real time, and a bank account can take 3 to 4 business days. So I'm going to go with mobile wallet and click continue. Then here, if you already have your recipient set up, you can just click on them. If not, just click on add new. Now I'll select this one and click continue. Now from here, all you need to do is enter their first name, then their last name, and optionally their middle name and email address, and then again click on continue. Now if you also picked to deliver the money into a mobile wallet, then here you want to select which mobile wallet you want to deliver it into. For example, I will go with JazzCash. Then here enter the wallet mobile number of the recipient that is associated with their account. Again, if you did select a mobile wallet. And then here select the purpose of the transfer. Then after adding all of that, click continue, then add your own payment details that you want to use to pay for the transfer, then review that all the details are correct, and if they are, go and confirm it, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Pakistan. So now you know how to send money from Western Union to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.